We cannot wait for you to have BioEra in your hands. A fun card game designed to unlock the curiosity and potential of young minds. Let's show you what's inside your BioEra kit. On the outside, the kit box has life forms, and when you open it, it reveals their ecosystem. Inside, you will find holographic promotional cards. 2 of them from our geological period series. There are 12 designs, 1 for each geological period. The artwork will be commissioned once we hit our Kickstarter funding goal. We're excited for young minds to view time through a different lens. If you support our project through Kickstarter, you'll also receive a secret exclusive card. There are 6 designs, 1 for each trophic level or food web level. Here's an example of a holographic card. Each kit comes with 2 decks ready for 2 siblings or friends to play right away. One deck is based on the African Savanna and the other one in the North American Plains. The boxes are made from grass-like material, giving them a natural, earthy feel. You'll also find 2 wooden dice. Now, let's take a closer look at the decks. We'll start with the North American Plains deck. Each deck contains 30 cards and a rulebook, which is not pictured here. BioEra cards have a gold gilt edge. First, you'll see the apex predators in purple. They have a hunter symbol. Next, we move to the carnivores in red. Not all of the carnivores are hunters, some are scavengers. Then come the omnivores in orange. Our production kit will have 4 of them, followed by herbivores in green, followed by decomposers in brown. These life forms play a crucial role in recycling cards, which is why there's so many of them. Finally, we have the producers in black, and there's also 2 phenomena cards in yellow. In an upcoming video, we'll explain how to play the game in detail, but here's a quick overview. You're building an ecosystem, and to play a card, you must pay its feeding requirements. Producers have no requirements. Herbivores need a producer. Carnivores need a herbivore. Apex predators need 2 carnivores. When a life form is consumed, it moves to the compost pile. Decomposers require a dead life form from the compost, which is then shuffled back into the deck. Omnivores need a decomposer or a producer. You win the game once you have all 6 types of life forms in your ecosystem or 2 apex predators. Now, let's look at the African Savanna deck. Just like the North American Plains one, it includes apex predators, carnivores, omnivores, herbivores, decomposers, producers, and 2 phenomena cards. Both decks have the same structure, ensuring a balanced game right out of the box. To recap, your kit includes 2 epic decks, the African Savanna and the North American Plains, 2 wooden dice, 2 geological period promotional cards, and 1 Kickstarter exclusive card. We're now live on Kickstarter. Join us in bringing this vision to life. Thank you.